guys, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we are going to do a walk around video on this 2018 McLaren 720S Performance. It says 24,000 miles on this one. Pretty modified, 950 horsepower to the wheels on this. Gorgeous. The 3M satin wrap is pretty fresh within the last 6 months. This car had a 362 MSRP. I think it's got all the carbon options that were offered. Carbon everywhere. We'll do the back as well in a second. It's got 20-inch Boston wheels on the front, 21-inch on the back. Those are brand new. The tires are also brand new. This car does have the front lift system. We'll take a peek inside in a minute. I've got the arrow button turned on, so the spoiler is up. Check out all this back here. Lots of carbon. Looks great. As far as performance mods go, this one's got the RYFT lowering springs. Got the 1050X injectors, M Engineering wiring harness, injector wiring harness. It's got an M Engineering custom dyno tune with the on-the-fly switch mapping. It's a 91 or E85 tune. It's got the unobtainium downpipes and billet turbo inlets, custom intakes. It's got a Voodoo exhaust. Sweet car, fast, breathes fire. Got some great pictures of this thing shooting fire out the exhaust. The carbon mirrors. Take a peek inside. Very nice and clean and tidy in here. This car is volcano orange under the wrap, so it's got the orange belts there. Very, very pretty. It's got the nice sound system in it and everything too. There's no check engine lights on or anything. Soft closed doors. Just a beautiful car. Everybody calls it the Batmobile around here. It's sweet and it's fast. It sounds really, really good. Got one key fob and one blade key on this one. Clean Carfax. Give me a call, text, email. We can ship this to you directly to your driveway, enclosed trailer, insured, everything, no problem. You don't have to lift a finger. We can do long distance deals. If you are financing, you can have your own bank. If you want some recommendations, we can help you out with that as well. Love that sound. Go ahead and smash the like button on this, subscribe to the channel. Do a lot of posts here, do a lot of short videos as well, reels that we upload, things coming in. So I hope to hear from you on this one. Beautiful car. Get a quick side shot. Look at that. All right, hope to hear from you soon.